Hey folks, welcome to another episode of KEEGZYS TOOLSHED. Now today we're going to be talking about jigsaws, and I don't mean the kind you get on your feet after a big St. Patrick's Day on the Guinness. I mean this one, Makita Cordless Jigsaw. I've just picked it up from my local hardware store. Now let's go and unbox it. It's a nice box in this. Probably the first episode I've done with a proper box, cubic sort of 4 edges. Good example for an unboxing video. So let's see. I've got the LXT 18 volt lithium ion BL motor cordless jigsaw. It says cordless jigsaw here in a few other languages. Sieg, Sawtooth, Sandsfield, Sierra, Caladora. Anyway, I don't need to read that to you guys. It's YouTube. Okay, let's go. Exciting. A friend of mine was considering buying one of these, so I said I would pick one up and do a video. Let him know what I thought. Smells like a good tool. Okay. Of course, you got your paperwork to begin with. Instructions manual. It's the DJV141 and DJV181 share of manual. So I guess, you know, I'm not going to read all of this to you guys today. If you get one, you can do your own research. I'm just here to unbox it. We'll be here all day if I was to do that. And hello. You get a Makita poster included with every jigsaw. That's going straight to the tool shed, that one. 270 plus tools. That's fantastic. All with the same battery, compatible. Warranty information. Oh, now, I did actually pick up a little extra packet of blades for the jigsaw. So I wasn't sure whether it'll be included in the box or not, but it doesn't matter. Makita thought of everything. There's a good 6 blades actually. I thought it was 3, but they're in 2s. So different varieties of blading, you know, get you through a tight situation. But I know what you're really here for. This little guy here, the Makita. Now, I'm not even going to put a blade in that because it's not going to be safe for the video. I don't need to use it right now. I'm just showing it, unboxing it. That's actually all. Now, it's the sort of tool where you're going to need your ear protection and your eye protection, just like that. There was a spirit level I did a couple of weeks ago that told you to wear these, and I said don't worry about it. Jigsaw on the other hand, worry about it. Noisy, sawdust going for your eyes all the time, you're gonna need it. Gloves, leave it up to you. If you're stupid enough to put your fingers in the blade, then gloves aren't going to help you, alright? Just trying to figure out how to get it going. It's got this switch on the side which adjusts things. You know, normal jigsaws will have a trigger there and they'll be in that D sort of shape, but I did a D handle shovel on my last video, so I thought I'd go to this other shape of the jigsaw. It's got nice rubber gripping on it. You can really guide that through some good shapes. Your power button's actually there, so let's turn it on. Oh, you know what, folks? You gotta put your own battery in there. These power tools these days, they'll have a universal battery that they can all share, like on the poster. But yeah, don't forget, you have to put you have your own battery first. anyway, BL jigsaw from Azito. I'll see you next time on KEEGZYS Toolshed. I got some jigging to do and some saws to heal. So subscribe and like the channel if you want to see more tool. See you next time, guys.